Hello, quokka. Quack, quack.
Come here.
Bye.
You going now? Please?
I'm going to go back in town and try and pick up Michael again.
You touched me.
That's so cute.
Michael's being touched by a quokka.
Nice little peacock in the background there.
That girl about the quokka. It's your in. It's your in.
Robbie, give me a wave. Hi.
Uh-oh, he's going back.
It's coming to get you, Michael. Do you have any food in that bag?
No, nothing in there, man.
Maybe they eat sunscreen.
No, I'll put it in the bag. Take it home.
Thought about it.
He's already come up once. Get him back again.
Yeah, they bite nicely.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Babies, you know.
The cannibals, Michael. Actually, be like an issue.